Hi, here is how you go live in your Facebook group and stream to a YouTube channel using the Facebook Stream Key and Streamyard. So open your Facebook group, head over to the Go Live, create a title and go into the Live Producer. Click Streaming Software and you have two pieces of code that you're going to pick up and take to Streamyard. There's the Stream Key and then a little bit further down is Advanced Settings, the server URL. Head over to Streamyard and select Destinations. This is where you'll connect Facebook to Streamyard. Add a destination, click Custom RTMP. There you'll head back over and pick up the Stream Key code and the server URL. You'll enter both of these back into Streamyard. You'll also need to give the destination a name. So I always give it the name of the day or the date. You'll then click Add RTMP and there it is. Now set up your normal stream. If you're streaming into YouTube at the same time, you can select your YouTube channel. You can also select Twitter or Twitch or any other destinations that you want to stream into, as well as your group. Add them at the top and don't forget to go live. Then head over to Facebook, add a title and then go live. And there you have it, you're streaming into your group and YouTube if you wish.